Hello, creative minds. Today, we are back with a concept sketch of Lord Ganesh in the form of a farmer. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, which Hindu god used his broken tusk to write the epic Mahabharata as it was dictated by the sage Vyasa? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. This is the second sketch of our series where we draw Lord Ganesh as different professions. Today we are drawing Lord Ganesh as a farmer. Check out the previous videos as well. Now let us start with the sketch. Begin the basic shape of the head and then torso. As we know, the head of Lord Ganesh is elephant's head, so draw accordingly. This get-up of Lord Ganesh is of farmer. This is the first stage of the drawing, so use light strokes so later you can erase them, add details. A drawing of Lord Ganesha as a farmer symbolizes prosperity through hard work and dedication, depicts the deities sowing seeds in fertile fields, representing the nurturing of wisdom and perseverance that leads to a bountiful harvest of success and spiritual growth. Carefully sketch in the other details, like legs and farming tool and grass Ganesh is holding. Tap an eraser over the basic sketch so that we can start with detailing. Start with the details of the head. Detailing is a very crucial process, so take your time while doing it. Next, add detail to the props and the costume. A farmer's clothes may be simple and worn from hard work. They show strength, dedication, and the value of honest labor. Once you are done with the drawing, let's start with the coloring process. Carefully color this cage, making sure the color doesn't spill out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, an amazing sketch of Lord Ganesh as a farmer. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Mahabharata dictated by the sage Vyasa was written by Lord Ganesha on the condition that Vyasa would speak without pause. In turn, Vyasa asked Ganesha to understand each verse before writing it down, which gave Vyasa moments to compose the complex narrative. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. And definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.